Hi Carson, are you gonna go talk to them? We're seeing all the islands and we're going out on this little private tour. Hi everyone, we are now in Cinque Terre and right now we are in La Spezia. More specifically, we are about to go get dinner because we have had nothing to eat all day besides one pastry. Our 5-hour train ride through France to Italy ended up being like what, 7 hours long? Person got threatened by an Italian kid. Yeah, that's about it. That's how we've been so far. It is what, 3, 4? What time is it? Oh, 5. Oh wow, it's 5 o'clock and we started our day at exactly 7 a.m. And we have done absolutely nothing but train and a croissant.
Okay, so basically we're walking among the waters like Jesus.
Okay, so the story behind this is that basically there were 2 lovers that were from opposite sides of the village and they would come to this meeting point called Lover's Bridge, and that's how it got its name, is by kind of like a Romeo and Juliet situation. So it was really sweet, really romantic. I feel like we came at the perfect time during sunset. Hi, Mama.
She's recording those people. Maybe in the corner.
Just spent the whole night recording us because the sunset was just so beautiful. We just weren't wanting to be on our phones and kind of live in the moment. So thanks, Mama.
We're in Cinque Terre. We're in Rio.
Rio Maggiano.
Yes.
Rio Maggiano. Look how beautiful. So many people.
At sunset.
So much people.
Wait.
So many.
Whatever. When it comes out of your mouth, it sounds wrong. This day we decided to go on a private boat tour. It wasn't very well known, so I was a little freaked out because I had seen a trailer to a shark movie and thought we were the next victims. So that's what I was thinking about looking out into the abyss. Carson came up to me and gave me a cute hug, but I think it was because she could feel my nerves. Oh, and of course, Tati's so freaking stinking cute. And the next clip is Carson debriefing her fear of trains. It's a new fear of hers. So then we went to the water to go touch the Med train to see for the first time.
Ashton Carson.
Every road leads back. Place I know that I cannot go where I long to be. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna make some TikToks, but this is not like the shark movie that I thought it was gonna be like. I'm glad to say we're gonna live from this boat experience, which was something I was actually really concerned about for a sec, but we're okay. Okay, so this was a palace, and then they would retreat up there when the pirates came. There was a palace up there, and the pirates ended up burning it down. I don't know what this is specifically. She just told us, but can't remember. But look how cute. Ooh, Tiani. Body tea. Look how amazing. Oh my god. This boat, like this feeling reminds us of childhood so much. Like just all the sounds the boat makes, like the motor, the water, all of it. Like this is just so peaceful. Oh my god, ignore my feet. Holy guacamole. Carsey's just tanning. She's out. I don't know. You guys saw me. It's okay. My feet are orange from my shoes. I don't understand why. Oh, we just had breakfast up here. Oh, this is exciting. All right. Yay. Amazing. This is great. I'm gonna have to grow up and get really rich and have a boat because this is like happiness right here. This is peak. We're at Cinque Terre on a boat, tanning, listening to the most amazing beachy music. My feet are a little bit dyed orange, which is weird, but that's okay. Carsey fell asleep. She's just me up and on the boat. You know, Cinque Terre right there. Aw, sleepy baby. Oh my goodness, I just want ear up. Do we do like a Q&A about Carson, but like I answer all the questions and I make all the questions? Q. What does Carson like? A. Okay. Carson likes to sleep, She loves it. She's a D1 napper. She also loves to eat pasta. She loves her carbs. We call her a little carbohydrate sometimes. She loves it though. She calls herself carbohydrates too, so it's fine. We're not bullying her, I promise, guys. This is called sisterly love. She means more to me than anything else in the entire world. Me and Carson and Vaughn both do. Carson also loves tanning. Oh, cute. What is Carson's favorite season? Carson's favorite season is summer. She loves the summertime. And then I think she likes the fall time. And then I think I'm gonna have to guess spring and then winter. Cute. What is Carson's favorite food? Like I said before, pasta, carbs. She loves bread, she loves pasta, she loves pizza. Cute. What does Carson like for dessert? I don't really know, honestly. I think maybe cake. She likes to bake a lot. Oh, she likes cookies. But I like, see, now I'm thinking about what I like. I really like ice cream and cookies. I don't really know what Carson likes. I think Carson doesn't have like a favorite. She likes, she'll have anything. She'll have anything. I feel like those are really good Q&As. Maybe we'll ask her some Q&As when she wakes up. Cute. Where's your favorite place to travel? Guys, I really don't know. Honestly, it would be great if you guys put some Q&As in the thing so we have something to talk about whenever we really have nothing to talk about. I had a Q. Or I have an A. Oh yeah, Q. I had to think of the Q, but I have the A. Q. If Carson were to be an aesthetic, what would the aesthetic be? Amazing question. She would be like a really classy Florida. Like the white sandy beaches and the seashells and like kind of like the white aesthetic where it's like, oh, I need to find it. I made a TikTok about it a really long time ago. Low-key might have been a Musical.ly. But it tells what everyone is. Like, I'm very, like, Hawaii beach. She's, like, very Florida beach. But, like, the very classy kind, like St. Peter's. Hold on. Oh, no, it's ciao. 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 Good job. Good job. Guys, thanks for coming with us. I think we're approaching our destination. It's going to be scary waking up the baby. We'll see who gets to wake up the baby. It's a little scary, honestly. I was just sitting here, probably for like 10 minutes just thinking to myself. Sometimes I kind of just talk to myself. People make fun of me for it. People, by the way. This is person. That's how I, process things. That's why I don't need therapy. I don't have thalassophobia. Like, if anything, I always like to touch the water. I love being in the water. I hope you can see. It's beautiful, it's amazing. And I was just, putting my hand in it. Oh God. Oh God. She's awake. Guys, she's awake. Oh my God. What happened? You know the dreams where you start to fall? Do you know what I'm talking about? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Are you recording?
Yes.
You know the dreams where you start to fall?
Yes.
I had a nightmare. It was like a train station. It was at the edge of a cliff, and like someone pushed me, and I just fell, and I went in, like I fell into the train, but it was like a hole, and then I fell through the cliff. It was really scary.
Oh God, that's horrible. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God.
And so you fell.
I think I pissed my pants. Someone was like screaming my name too.
I was talking to you for about 5 minutes.
You were talking to me?
Yeah. I have a video of it. How long has it been? Oh yeah, it's actually been 5 minutes and 10
I felt like you were
seconds.
screaming my name.
No, I was saying.
Like at the train station.
Oh shit.
Oh God, I'm gonna pee.
Oh my God.
So scary.
You're lucky you had your phone out or I wouldn't have said a thing.
We almost wiped out and my dad almost didn't say something.
Oh my God.
I would have loved that. Carson just had a dream she was hit by a train.
Yeah.
The story behind that is Carson keeps on, every time we pass the train, because you have to train everywhere to get to and from places, she keeps on thinking about like someone pushing her right whenever the train.
Okay, so basically, ever since we came here, I had never really experienced a train ride before, right? And like, I think, the first time we went on the train was whenever we went from Paris to Nice, and I was like, this thing goes pretty freaking fast, And I was like, it would hurt really bad if you were right there and it was like you go flying, like your guts would be like you would be flying in the air and everything. Like that, like that's scary. And I was like, what if someone pushed you, like intended to do that? And I'm like, oh my God, okay, that's freaking scary. So every single time I see a train now that's going like Polar Express fast, it's like Polar Express.
Damn, that's pretty scary. I don't know. And like, I'm wondering if my family would be sad, like, if I got hit by a train. It's a scary thing. Yay! That's my new fear.
You were out for like a good 10 minutes.
Well, a lot happened in 10 minutes.
Maybe
I had a really crazy nightmare. Basic pause. Unpause. Ooh!
What?
You can do that?
What?
You can pause it.
Oh, cool.
Look. I'm back, guys. Okay, anyway, my nightmare. At the edge of the cliff over there. You see that? It's like staying there and someone pushed me in there. And then my family was screaming, Carson! But like every like couple minutes. And then I was like, someone pushed me and it went, and I fell through the train. Train came. I fell through the hole. Ended up like through the mountain in the water. That was my nightmare. And everyone was screaming, Carson! But like it was every couple minutes. It's like, Carson! 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 Anyway.
I think Dad said, do you really girls want some water? That was it. And then you woke up like a minute later.
I haven't given enough TikTok. Hey! Follow our TikTok. Follow! Follow! Oh shoot! I cold.
Oh, we need a cameraman. So if anyone wants to date one of my sisters,
Not
that'd be
me.
great.
Die. Get pushed in front of a train. I was just about to say that. I'm not up for
You
grabs.
sound like baby.
I don't want.
Oh,
I don't want to be up for
sounds like
grabs.
baby.
I'm not a baby. Stop it. Oh.
should we do some yoga?
Nope.
Welcome guys to our yoga channel.
If you want me to
today.
start tinkling.
Yes.
Ashton, please. It's cold.
I know, I have my hand in the water.
No, I can't.
Everyone. Today we're gonna have
Like
yoga.
it's painful.
Hello everyone, today we're gonna be having yoga on a boat. Everyone sit straight. We're gonna be thinking about positive thoughts. Deep breath in.
I'm hungry.
Deep breath out.
I want food.
Deep breath in. Deep breath out.
Oh God, I see a train. I see an effing train right there. There's a train.
And all
Yo!
to the sun. And all the way down.
Guys, I'm getting my hair highlighted when I get home. So stay tuned for the.
Yeah, should I go blonde? Drop in the comments. I hate saying this.
Drop it in the comments.
I think I'm gonna have Vaughn say that from now on, but I'm just gonna do the one that says drop in the comments.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I like this bathing suit a lot. Like it reveals a lot, but not that much.
No, my pants are wet right now. I think I peed. Oh. Anyway, I was laying in the water for a hot second, and I don't have thalassophobia, but I was like, what is in this water? Like, seriously.
All of these things.
Like, whenever you can't see the bottom of it, what's in it?
We're like, we don't say that.
What do you think is in it? Sorry. What? No, seriously, what do you think's in it? It's,
Like, I thought a mermaid was gonna grab my hand for a second.
I am a mermaid. Guys,
like
I'm,
a siren.
uh-oh. Did you untie this?
I promise I didn't.
Guys, I
swear.
am a mermaid. Ugh. I promise,
Maybe
like
it's
I am.
a ghost trying to.
I promise I am a mermaid. I just haven't accessed it yet. You know, like
The powers.
you know, like you have to like rub a shell or something, and then like you become a mermaid.
I can't wait to rub that shell.
I rubbed it first.
No, you haven't. Whoever gets it first gets to be.
Oh my God, I'm gonna pee my pants.
Garson, stop talking.
Oh wait, it's almost 4.
Our boat ends at 4:15. So I actually was talking to you for like 5 minutes and you weren't responding.
About what?
I was doing Q&As.
Are you hungry?
I was giving you questions and then I was answering them myself.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm starving.
I'm hungry. You look skinny.
Really?
Skinny, skinny, skinny.
Thanks.
Bring back a dead relative or be skinny. Skinny. Skinny, 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 skinny.
They came all the way up here.
All right, please get the reference. I don't actually mean that. I would bring back a dead relative.
Who? Nani or Papa?
Oh God, don't make me pick. Non-a-ro-ro.
Non-a-ro-ro.
Both of them. I don't know if they like each other. They don't.
I missed you while you were sleeping.
What were you talking about?
I don't know. I was talking about, I was like, if I was political figure, what would I decide to do as a president? And then I was like, why am I talking to myself? I could have this on video. So I started talking to myself on video.
You're so weird.
About you.
If I were president, I would let everyone be a mermaid.
Everyone has to be a mermaid.
Everyone has to be a mermaid.
President, I think I would have.
And
like,
we'd
I'd
pay
pay
with
people
shells.
to work out. I'd pay people to work out.
This seems a little
So that we
weird.
wouldn't be like, no, we
Fat?
wouldn't be like a big country anymore. You know, like Americans are known to be like big.
Fat
It's
cheeseburgers.
like what is what we're like told our stereotype is.
I love cheeseburgers.
To be lazy.
Oh wait, no, I don't. I don't like cheeseburgers.
I love cheeseburgers.
I like the cheese and I like the bun.
Like you're not forced
I
to
love
work out,
the
but
bun.
if you want to work out and make money, you can. So like I would find like a good rate to like work out and how to measure it, and then also I would have dad's business in every single household, so no one would ever have to be hungry ever again.
Oh, I'm hungry right now.
I know. I'd say, what are you hungry for?
Bread.
Guys, I told you. One of my questions was, I was like, all right, we're gonna do some Q&As. Q, what does Carson like to eat? And I said A. I said we call her a little carbohydrate.
Any carb does the trick.
Any carb.
Besides, I know fruit's a carb.
Fruit is a carb?
Yes.
Oh.
Or is it fluid? No, it's not fluid.
Fruit is
Fruit's
not
a carb.
even. Fruit is a sugar, Carson.
Fruit's a carb.
It's a sugar.
It's also a carb.
It's a sugar.
It's also a carb. Yeah, it's a carb. I like the
myself.
bready carbs. Like I like pasta, mac and cheese.
Yes, I said that.
I
Or
like
taco.
cookies. I like cake. I like pizza. I like mac and cheese. I like pasta, bread. I like all carbs. What the hell is she doing?
Because I got I literally listed all those things too.
I like ice cream, but ice cream's not a carb, is it? Oh no, where is it?
Look how close.
Wait, no. Stop it. I can't move my leg.
She looks like a little slug.
This is the only position that helps me not pee.
You look like a slug.
Hi. Hi, my name's Carson. Okay, and if I was president, our flag would be... Oh, wait. That's probably not allowed.
Starbucks flag.
It probably... Oh, because there's a mermaid on
Exactly.
it?
Starbucks logo. And you go to
No.
Starbucks all the time. You need to stop doing that.
I don't go to Starbucks all the time, bro.
You did a Starbucks review.
Yeah, I did.
All right.
No, I think my flag... No, I
Thanks
have
for talking to Carson for a little bit.
Wait, I have to tell them what my flag would be. Please.
No, it's okay.
Really quick.
All right, we're
I'd
back.
like to tell them what my flag would be.
Okay.
So if I had my own country...
Would it be rainbow?
That's already a flag. So if I was a president of my own country, it would be called Carciania.
Okay.
Amazing.
Amazing. Anyway, here's...
Flag would be a Starbucks flag, but pink and purple. Pink, purple, and there would be little shells attached to it, so it's a textured flag.
Oh, that's kind
And
of
it'd
cool.
be sprinkled with a little bit of sand.
Oh, I love that.
It's extra texture.
I love that. I wonder where Carcinia will
But
be.
the
Okay.
Starbucks flag, like my flag, instead of like the mermaid face, I'd put my face on the mermaid.
Oh, wow. That's special. You're right. It's already yours, so you can do that.
I don't really like the name Carcinia.
I thought you were gonna do like
It sounds
Lisette.
like Ines.
Oh, you could do like Lisette, maybe. Lisette.
Lisette's Yenya. No, it's the Enya.
We're back.
I loved it.
Thanks for watching. Okay, so after the boat, we walked to the water together to get a quick dip since we weren't able to get out of the boat and get into the water. So the water was absolutely freezing. It felt like the Lake Tahoe water we went to when we were younger. This part of Cinque Terre is very famous for its rock peeking out of the sea. So we decided we wanted to climb it. We had to cross the water to be able to get into the rock, which was so freaking cold. Once we were on the rock, we began our climb, which was kind of hard because it was very jagged and sharp and we didn't have any shoes on. Plus, Carson doesn't have the best balance, so I was already freaked out about her falling into the water, which you could be like, oh, she's falling in the water, but no, there's rocks in there and it was super shallow. Like you could literally see it only went up to my knees. This is such a vibe. I love this. If you're in Cinque Terre, go to Romaggio and rent a boat because it's literally the best. Bye boat, you were lovely. Anyway.